Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get X-Ray for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So first of all, you want to go ahead and download X-Ray. So I'm going to go ahead on CurseForge and download this better X-Ray. On the files, I'm just going to go ahead and download it. Now I have this better X-Ray MC pack. You need to go ahead and install it now. And you will successfully install it by pressing it 2 times on this better X-Ray. Now once it was imported, you want to press on settings right there. On settings, you want to go ahead on global resources, my packs, and you will see better X-Ray. You want to go ahead and activate it. And now you can go ahead and create a new world or play the same world. So let's, for example, go ahead and press on this one. Now what you want to do is go ahead to your settings. And on settings, press on video, and you want to go ahead and turn off smooth lighting. Now you also want to go ahead and write down the effect. So it would be effect as night vision infinite, and then you're gonna press and you will see it like so. And that's pretty much it. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.